I recommend for hair loss and hair thinning, first of all, is that we really need to start reading our ingredient list. I've been saying this for the last 50 years. And stop using all the chemicals. That's why I highly recommend Morrocco Method products. We have everything imaginable. Check out our website, 𝘼𝙇𝙇-𝙍𝘼𝙏. We have so many videos on each product. Of course, the scalp massager is a very big plus. I highly recommend. It's all rubber. This gets blood and air circulating into the scalp. It's very necessary. You need to brush your hair, brush your scalp, getting all the sebaceous glands activated, the oil glands back here. We have videos on how to brush, how to scalp massage. Very, very healthy. And of course, hair coloring, dyeing, bleaching. I highly recommend to stop all of this. It's very carcinogenic. So check out our websites for henna. I work with a lot of women and men for hair loss and thinning throughout the decades. And everyone, I'm talking tens of thousands of people who have gone to henna, every one of them has said, I will never, ever go back to bleaching or dyeing my hair ever again. And you have this extraordinarily healthy, beautiful, natural hair. And we have 7 shades, so we have it all. You can go neutral, just for the conditioning. We have blonde, we have light brown, medium brown, dark brown, red, and black. Your choice, but I suggest starting off the lighter and then gradually going darker till you find what you like. Henna is really easy to use. Check out our videos, watch them, use them, and go natural. Our health is our wealth. Also for hair loss and hair thinning, I really recommend Morrocco Method Euro Oil. There's all natural ingredients in here. So the hair needs food. It needs to have lubrication. It needs to be fed. It has to have some type of encouragement to grow. So you need natural oil. Check out our natural oil from Euro Oil. Restorative. It's the best. Hair loss, hair thinning, I really highly recommend our Elixir series. We have 3 different types of series. We have the 4 series, which is air, fire, water, earth. Then we have the 2 series, which is gold and silver, which is more advanced. Then we have the tri-series, which is the most advanced. So of course, I'm going to recommend starting off with our 4 series. You can pick and choose on your astrological sign. That could be a helpful way to get into it. Or you can take all 4 and alternate. Massage it into the hairline, wherever the hair is thinning in the evening before going to bed. And then the first thing in the morning after you shower and dressed, take a little bit more into the hairline and any other part that's thinning. You'll see an amazing new hair growth coming in. So the Elixir series, we have lots of videos on them. Check them out. You'll be quite impressed.